The U.S. Embassy in Zimbabwe has explained that the Zimbabwe Democracy and Economic Recovery Act is not a sanction. Zdera is rather a legislative act and is not a sanction. The U.S. has never had to invoke Zdera to oppose international financial institution loans or debt restructuring for Zimbabwe.
Is Zdera a sanction? Why was it not removed? The Zimbabwe Democracy and Economic Recovery Act, or Zdera, has not changed. Zdera is a legislative act and is not a sanction. The United States has never had to invoke Zdera to oppose international financial institution loans or debt restructuring for Zimbabwe. Zdera outlines a clear roadmap for the United States to support Government of Zimbabwe access to concessional financing and possible debt restructuring. But this could only happen once Government of Zimbabwe has paid its outstanding debt arrears to the international community. This is why the AFDB facilitated dialogue is so important. The issues of democratic governance, economic reform, and land reform addressed in that dialogue relate to many of the issues cited in Zdera.
This statement from the U.S. Embassy was met with criticism as Zimbabweans were commenting that the fact that you are trying to explain Zdera to us means that there is probably something problematic with that act.